Hi, I'm Ruth. On this demo, I'm going to show you how I solve the problem for my client. Our problem is we have listings here in Guesty, and we need to create marketing copy for all of the listings under their company. And right now, their company has 1,700 listings, and doing this one by one, as you could imagine, is very tedious and a long process and expensive process. I had 3 people working on this, and this is how the automations that I've created have solved this problem. So this is going to be a 2-step automation that I have created for this client. And with his permission, I am showing this to you. A specific emojis we want for all of our listings to have, and specific bullet points. So if you also just want to like have a good copy, we can also have AI create this copy for you using a prompts that you want specific for your location and specific to the tone of voice of the brand that you are going for. And on this case, this is how our finished refreshed listing is what we wanted to do. And by using this platform that they're using, it will now go to Airbnb, Verbo, and our direct booking engine as well. It will be automatically changed on those OTAs as well. So this solution is for short-term rental operators or Airbnb operators or hostels operators and boutique hotels operators. And this has really helped in saving a lot of time and money for our team. And let me show you how I set it up in n8n here. So the first step is I actually did this as a manual trigger for now. So I have set up a system wherein we will get all the listings by batch, and then by the end of it, it will be produced in a Google form that looks like this. So as you can see right now, we are here currently. These are all taken from the platform via automation. So if you would type this one by one, it will be very tedious. But I have done 2 batches. And now let me do the next batch. So I guess they can only let you do by batch. So I have created a get node here for us to do that, get 200 listings right away. And also that's the first step after the manual trigger. After he got it, we will split it out by items because it usually returns just one item. And also filter which ones we want to use. Our condition here is that it is listed, so that any listing that is not active will not be included on this. And then the code is just to flatten the data and to have it only use the items that we need changing. And for that, after that, log it on this Google Sheet right here. So we will see it populate once this is activated. So here on this part of the Google Sheet, you will see the old descriptions, the old values that is over here that we wanted to change. And after AI worked with it, it will also give us a new one, a new description, a new title, and yeah, everything new created by AI. And that will be the end of the workflow. Okay, let me show you how it goes. So if I execute workflow, it gets 200 listings. It filters into the relevant one. As you can see here, it's already updating with the old. So it automatically updated with the old values. And right now it will take some time for the AI to create new values. And once that's created, we will see this populated over here. And it will also be timestamped when it happened here. So my get node was getting 200 listings. Out of the 200, only 86 is live. So that's why it's only giving 86 listings for the ChatGPT model to create new descriptions for new titles, new summary, and different description according to the prompt that my specific client wanted to have. So this, in just a few seconds, we were able to get all this information from the platform. And this just makes our workflow so much faster. And we also track everything on this Google Sheet. So for example, the ChatGPT model has populated this one. This is how it would look like for everything. And then this is where the human intervention will come in. It's up to you if you want it to be automatically patched, but I would recommend still having a human decision maker or human auditor manager to look at it one by one and verify that this title and this summary is indeed how you want it according to the brand guide. And just look out for some errors because usually it is really good. Like as you can see here, it has really good output, but you can never get tell. Like sometimes there will be ones that are different, and yeah, so we wanted that to be removed. And then after this is populated by the AI, you will see that this is how we patch it, or we put the new descriptions automatically again to the live listing that we have here. Like for example, let me just show you how we do it. So this is not an actual one. This is just a sample. So if this is the step 2 of the automation, and when we click on this, execute workflow, see it will automatically get the rows in the sheets that is ready for updating, and that will be the ones that's already checked by the human. Here, let's say this is the title that's produced by the AI, and then we're just gonna test it out here. If we see if this would work. Okay, it said it's successfully executed, and let's also execute this after it's successfully changed in the platform. This Google Sheets will be updated that it has done that. It will give this Google Sheet the time that it was updated, and that will reflect here the time updated at. So yeah, that's how I created the solution for my real estate client who is in the STR. And if you wanted me to do a workflow for you, just send me a DM, and we could go on a discovery call and see how I can help you solve your repetitive tasks and help you save time and money.